How to reset and customize your TikTok FYP. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy, and in this card video I'll show you the way as to how you can reset and customize the For You page on TikTok. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now first of all, let's say that you are too tired of all of these recommendations. By default, you want some fresh content, you want some fresh recommendations, and I'll just show you how you can do that. Now very first thing is that you can see following tab and For You page. So on your For You page, let's say that you do not want to get recommended this kind of video in the future, then in that case what you could do is just tap on this little share icon at the bottom of the screen, and over here you have to select the option called not interested. When you select the option called not interested, it is most likely that TikTok will take that into consideration and will not recommend you similar videos in the future. The other is that you want to just come to your discover page, and right here in the search box you want to simply only search for accounts that you get recommended in the future. You want to search for similar hashtags, similar keyword suggestions of the account and the videos that you want to get recommended in the future, because this is simply how TikTok works. They're going to take consideration of each and everything you do within the TikTok platform over here. The other thing you can also do is try to change the region by using a VPN and so on, but that most likely that is going to fail, because I have also tried it personally multiple times. What you could do is I would also recommend that you only like content that you want to get recommended in the future. So let's say you want more adventurous like this one, I would just recommend you to like it, so that whenever you scroll through TikTok you will see more posts depending and containing similar type of content. And this is how you can go ahead and then reset and customize your TikTok FYP. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.